In Long's 1924 book, The Poisonous Plants of the UK, he states that buttercups, part of the ranunculus family, are poisonous to cattle as well as other types of livestock. And if we look across one of the fields that these bullocks have had access to for over 2 months now, it's quite clear to see that we do have a very large number of buttercups that have not been predated or grazed. And so one would assume this is because either they are poisonous or they have some kind of distaste that the cattle obviously avoid. Now, they graze the sward down to a very low level around the buttercups, but some of the buttercups themselves are nearly 1/2 metre in height, the flowering element of the plant, and it's very interesting. Some things clearly do very well in the presence of cattle. So the relevance of the presence of all these buttercups within the field isn't just that it will obviously benefit the buttercups, but there are several theories relating the interactions of plants to other plants, particularly plants that aren't favoured by cattle and livestock, because their presence may in turn mean that certain other plants that live near and proximate to the buttercups avoid predation as well. And in this way, you may actually develop a slightly more heterogeneous kind of vegetation community than you would in the absence of the cattle. And it's already well known and documented in the literature that things such as ferns and holly seedlings and the common stinging nettle, the presence of these plants can actually enable other rarer plants to survive as well. And so there's no reason to suggest that there may not be similar interactions between buttercups and the types of flowering plants that you would get in chalk river environments.